All right, we are back for Advent of Code 2024. As you can see, we're about to get started here in 15 seconds. Yeah, still using the same old setup as last year. I might switch mid-season, but I didn't get around to it pre-season, so we'll see. And here we go. Okay, bunch of numbers. Left list, smallest number of the left list, smallest number of the right list. Second small, okay, sort the two, how far apart, add up all those distances, gotcha. Okay, smallest, how far apart, sum up the distances. Okay, rank 10. Very different. Similarity score. How many times it appears in the right list? Okay. I feel like I already have this imported, but I might not. Similarity score. Appear in both lists. Adding up each number in the left list after multiplying it by the number of times that number appears. Okay. Well, I think that's just... multiplying it. So just that? Or did I misread? Oh, yeah, it's just that. Okay. Rank 19. Whew, that was exciting. Oh, man. Yeah, I definitely was like, wait, did I really read this right? On the second part, I slowed down to make sure I had read it right. Yeah, whew. That's pretty good for the first day. I'm pretty happy with that. Still coming in, but 11th right now. I'm very happy with that. Oh, man. Yeah, so I guess to recap the problem real quick, a lot of this is just about reading it quickly. So what it gives you these two lists of numbers, and what it wants you to do. Oh, are these really this short? Are these lists actually that short? That's kind of wild. I guess that doesn't matter. Oh, no. I don't know why, but my terminal's cutting them off kind of short. In any case, two lists of numbers. You just want to get, first do some data parsing, get left list, right list. Oops, can't do that. And then sort the two lists. It asks you to sort the two lists and then compare the differences, and then add up all the absolute differences. So that's exactly what we do. One nice thing that I have written for this, pre-written, is this like nums function, which just, it like identifies all the numbers in a line. I think it roughly looks like, it's just some regex, and the regex looks like this. I think the capturing group should include the minus sign. But yeah, I think it just looks like this, roughly. So that just grabs the numbers. In this case, I know it's going to be exactly length 2 because there's two numbers. And yeah, that made the data parsing really simple. And from there, you just kind of do it. Yeah, so there's the first part. And then the second part says, okay, now do something different. The thing you care about now is each number in the left list and multiplied by the number of times it appears in the right list. And for that, like, just show everything in the right list into a counter. I actually didn't check how long the lists are. You might have just been able to do like list.count. Yeah, you could have probably written like the n squared thing here as well. I imagine that would be like pretty fast. Count L. Yeah, that was like instantaneous. Yeah, so I maybe lost a little bit of time by I definitely lost some time by importing the counter, which I think I should already have this, right? If I don't already have this, then I guess I'm less sad about importing it. No, I already had it. Yeah, I think in my collection of imports, I already had imported counter. So definitely wasted a little time there, but I'm still really happy with a 1019. Yeah, cool. Well, that's about it for the first day. I will see you all tomorrow.